Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Google Maps offline on iPhone. First, let's go into Google Maps. And in order to use Google Maps offline, first you will need to save the maps. So you will need internet service to do that. So once you have internet service, you're going to go into Google Maps, tap on your profile pic in the top right hand corner. And from here, you're going to tap on offline maps. Then you're going to tap on select your own map. And from here, you're going to select the section that you're planning to travel to. So let's say, for example, right here, then you'll simply tap on download. And you can see that it is downloading. So now that you have downloaded that section, when you're offline, you'll still have access to that section of the map. And you can continue doing this, so you can tap on update. As you can see, it is updating maps that I have saved in the past. And that's it. You can go again and tap on select, and you could download a different area. And you can do this to all of the areas that you're planning to travel to. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. So now when you're offline, you'll have access to Google Maps by simply opening the map like usual, and you can browse it from here.